No, you're not giving them. This boy done gave the birds a Taki. He got a Taki. No. Spit it out. Spit it out. Oh, the bird got a Taki. Spit it out. Spit it out, birdie. Oh my gosh, Jemiah, why would you give him a Taki? I'm telling the people you done gave him a Taki. Sorry, birdies, we ain't got nothing else.
No, I got a chicken.
No. Chicken. You owe them more than a chicken. Giving them a Taki. Now I'm gonna let them come in after.
Eee! Flee! Oh, he caught it! Mom, for real.
Get them, birdies. Get them. You get them all your chicken. Don't say you're hungry.
Taki time.
No. That's it.
I thought those ones at the car.
Oh man, that was fun.